So this race you mentioned, when's it happening?
Hop in, I'll tell you. Drive to this location. We have to meet Racer Girl.
Who's Racer Girl?
She's Racer Girl.
Oh, gotcha.
So, Muscle, what made you decide not to take a dive like Frank wanted you to?
Nothing. Holston went down too easy. Hell, I wouldn't be surprised if someone paid him to take a dive.
Huh. So, why stick around if Frank is out for your head? Why not just leave Vegas? Go somewhere nice, like Reno.
You don't run from a guy like Frank. Go to Bermuda, there's a cabana boy packing a submachine gun with your name on it. And besides, fuck him.
Now you're talking. F him in the A.
You're in Pommy's playground now. 87.8 to 93.
You've all heard how I feel about buying stuff and consumerism and whatever. So you know how much it pains me to say this?
Right!
The others are hardly rocking, but we're rocking hard.
3, 2, 1, go!
Found yourself in a sticky situation with the...
All I did was drop a roofie in that beefcake's drink. I meant to...
Hi, I'm Stan the Man Brightman, and I'm here to protect your rights and your dignity. Doesn't matter if you just bumped an ounce and blew through 8 red lights, or if that sweet nugget you brought home from the Derby turned out to be 14. We got a little thing in this country I like to call the Constitution. Hear that?
Nice.
America's on your side. No matter what the situation, no matter what the body count, I'm willing to get my hands dirty for you. So when you need a friend, you give me a call at 555-BE-SILENT.
Stan, man, come be all your pushing, yo, and bright man, yo, prove it.
For all the badasses out there. It's Tough Guy by Cell Dweller, here on the night, 87.8.
Seems like you could really handle some dangerous curves.